Starting around 25 walk 2024 Dogecoin actually for the most part is exchanging at $0.887 in terms of its ICE rate with the value change of some 42% in fundamentally most recent 60 minutes, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Doge most certainly basically has a complete market cap of $25,955, 396, 683 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,669, 332.9, which sort of is genuinely critical in a significant manner. This explicitly makes Dogecoin Doge positioning at 8 in the cryptographic money market, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2024, what will Dogecoin in every practical sense be really worth in 2024, which generally is very huge? Is Dogecoin in all things considered genuinely wise speculation, or for the most part worth purchasing in 2024 in an extremely huge manner? Will Doge cost outperform its unequaled high, which basically is very critical? These in a real sense are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin Doge value expectation 2024 as per the Dogecoin conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Doge cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of dollars on 2022. The normal certainly genuinely least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the really current year ought to in every practical sense be $246, which basically explicitly is very huge. Besides, Doge can for the most part arrive at a sort of genuinely greatest value level of $1.374, which fundamentally by and large shows that will Doge value sort of outperform its unsurpassed high, or so they basically thought. Doge value figure walk 2024. Concerning walk 2024, Dogecoin certainly is supposed to basically arrive at an in every way that really matters, least value worth of $459 in an unpretentious manner. The Doge cost could in a real sense arrive at a really most extreme cost of $1641 with a kind of in every practical sense normal cost around $1.1E5 and 95 in an unobtrusive way as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value expectation April 2024. Dogecoin value sort of is supposed to generally reach between $1.25 at 98 to $1.70 at 21 in April 2024, while the very genuinely normal cost of Doge for the April fundamentally in every way that really matters stays around $0.659 Dogecoin Doge value forecast May 2024. The cost for Dogecoin in May 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $1.649 and $1.804, which in a real sense explicitly is very critical. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to in every way that really matters most certainly be around $725 in a very large manner. Dogecoin value conjecture June 2024. In June 2024, the exceptionally greatest cost for Dogecoin could basically stretch around $1.890, which generally is very huge amazingly. Besides, the minimum cost of Doge in June 2024 by and large is $719 with a sort of typical cost of $794, which especially is genuinely huge in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value figure July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of Dogecoin most certainly is supposed to in a real sense be at around and especially least of $1.805. Dogecoin cost can truly arrive at an extremely limit of $10.62 with the kind of typical cost of $1.866 in USD, which is very critical. Dogecoin value expectation August 2024. The cost of Dogecoin basically is in a real sense basically anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $0.1828 in August 2024 in a sort of enormous manner in an unpretentious manner. The Doge cost could actually by and large arrive at a very most extreme worth of $36 with the essentially especially normal exchanging worth of $4 all through 2024 in a kind of in every practical sense enormous way. Dogecoin value gauge September 2024. The extremely normal cost of Dogecoin Doge could commonly go to $10.61 toward the finish of September 2024, or so they actually really thought. Doge could explicitly be exchanging around a reasonably truly greatest worth of $1.20 with the really least expected cost of $0.80 and 85, which in a real sense sort of is genuinely critical. Dogecoin Doge value gauge October 2024. The Dogecoin Doge cost for October 2024 may by and large arrive at an especially least worth of $44, while the especially beautiful greatest determined cost. especially really is around $210 in a fundamentally significant manner. The actually by and large normal cost for Doge really is for the most part anticipated to fundamentally truly reach $2019 in October 2024, exhibiting how Dogecoin value expectation August 2024. The cost of Dogecoin explicitly is in a real sense basically anticipated to essentially reach at a by and large least worth of $0.28 in August 2024, which certainly explicitly is genuinely huge incredibly. Dogecoin value gauge November 2024. The truly normal cost of Dogecoin Doge could especially commonly go to $180 toward the finish of November 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Doge could, in every practical sense, be exchanging around a reasonably kind of most extreme worth of $1.291 with the actually fundamentally least expected cost of $2019. So starting around 25 WOC 2024 Dogecoin basically is exchanging at $0.807 in term of its first rate with the value change of 42% in entirely most recent 60 minutes, or so they basically thought. Dogecoin Doge value expectation December 2024. With respect to December 2024, Dogecoin cost fundamentally is conjectured to in a real sense arrive at a sort of the most reduced cost of $20.46 in an extremely enormous manner. The Doge cost could actually essentially arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $1.274 with the in every way that really matters, for the most part normal expected cost around $1.22, or so they in every practical sense, in every way that really matters, thought. Dogecoin for the most part passed cost examination with an expansion. In its exchanging volume and market cap, the Dogecoin's cost certainly has shown a genuinely decent increment of 232% in the absolute most recent 24 hours, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking, which is very critical. From kind of most recent 7 days, the Doge entirely was in every practical sense, great vertical pattern and expanded by 2637%. Truly further appearance how starting around 25 WOC 2024 Dogecoin truly is exchanging at $0.1887 in term of its first rate with the value change of 42% in truly sort of most recent 60 minutes, which truly is genuinely huge. Dogecoin by and large has shown areas of strength for certainly fundamentally potential recently, and this could be in every way that really matters, great chance to basically dive right in and contribute, or so they sort of thought, which is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value conjecture 2024 FAQ is what will generally truly be Dogecoin in every practical sense, worth in 2024, or so they sort of especially thought. The Doge cost essentially is gauged to by and large arrive at a truly greatest degree of $1.374 with sort of most certainly least cost of $1.2046 toward the finish of 2024, in every way that really matters, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Does Dogecoin explicitly have a future in a, for the most part, huge manner? As far as value, Dogecoin generally in a real sense has an extraordinary, especially really potential to explicitly fundamentally arrive at new levels, which in a real sense shows that Doge